Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the meaning behind one of the most expressive emojis out there, the face with look of triumph, face with steam from nose emoji. You've probably seen this one pop up in chats and posts, but do you know all the ways it's used? Let's break it down. So, the face with look of triumph emoji is officially called the face with steam from nose. It's been around since 2010 and is a part of the emoji family we all know and love. At first glance, this face might look like it's super angry, but that's not its only meaning. The face with look of triumph emoji is all about showing strong emotion, but not just anger. It's about determination, confidence, or even a sense of pride. Think of it like someone who's saying, "I've got this," or "I'm not backing down." You might use it when you're feeling really pumped or when you're facing a challenge head-on. It can also be used in a playful way, like when someone's joking about being frustrated or pretending to be angry, like when your friend takes the last slice of pizza. How it's used in texts. Feeling confident. Face with look of triumph, use it when you're smashing a workout or crushing a project. Playfully frustrated. Face with look of triumph when your friend sends that annoying text but you're not really mad. Feeling powerful. Face with look of triumph, show off some energy and strength when you've achieved something big. So, whether you're feeling determined, playfully annoyed, or just want to flex some confidence, the face with look of triumph emoji is a great way to express it. Drop a comment below on how you like to use this emoji, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fun emoji breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.